this silver-plated metal, which has a lovely deep graphite patina. It's almost like a gunmetal. These are thin metals. Look at the edge. See how thin that is. It's not as thick as most of the Exposition metals. Over on the other side, the reverse, you got a floral arrangement there. Looks like another South Carolina theme of some sort, and awarded to a nice, beautiful design plaque. And the award winner on this particular one, Emil Melzer. There's so much research you can do collecting these medals. You can research the exposition. What was the reason for the exposition? Where was it held? How long did it last? What was exhibited? All kind of things. But then you can get to the award medals and find out how many were made in each class: gold, silver, or bronze, or even if they even had any classes. And that's a fun thing to do. And then lately, I've been researching these award winners, and I haven't researched this one yet, but I will. And it takes time, but that's part of the hobby of collecting award medals. It's a lot of fun. Okay, let's take a closer look at the bronze medal. First of all, you can see the color. It's different than the silver plated. Looks like this. Now, both of them have bronze stamped on the edge, but this is silver plated. This one here, and you can see the different colors. That nice chocolate patina of the bronze medal. So next we'll take a look at the gold medal. And what a beautiful medal. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. There were 571 of these awarded. Yeah, this is gold plated over bronze. Now on the edge it says bronze, so it's gold plated over bronze, but the class of medal awarded was gold. And you could take a look. It's just a gorgeous medal. As I said before, there's one that sold that was solid gold for $15,600 back in 2017. The Gorham Company, I researched, and they were silversmiths and made everything by hand. It seems like excellent jobs. The rare corn dealer Stacks and Bowers said that these medals were arguably some of the best designed medals of any U.S. exposition. As a collector, I believe these medals are some of the best I've seen in terms of design, artistic value. They have a feel of quality, workmanship, and attention to detail. Thank you for joining me in exploring these beautiful medals from the 1901-02 Charleston Exposition. If you enjoyed the video, please like and make a comment, and subscribe for more fascinating stories from past expositions. Visit expositionmedals.com for more detailed articles and resources. See you next time.